In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a packing slip in Xero 5 minutes. A packing slip is a simple document that lists what's being shipped, item names, and quantities without showing prices. It travels with the box, so warehouse teams and customers can quickly confirm what's inside. In Xero, you generate the packing slip directly from the sales invoice that relates to the order. Start by signing into your Xero account. Head to the Xero login page, click Login, and enter your email and password. Then click Login again to continue. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt and make sure you're in the right organization once Xero opens. You can switch organizations from the menu at the top if needed. When you land on the dashboard, look for the sales area. Open sales, then choose invoices. This brings up your list of sales invoices. Find and open the invoice for the order you're shipping. If you're unsure which one to pick, match it by customer name, invoice number, or date. The packing slip will pull details from this invoice, so check that the line items and quantities are correct before proceeding. With the invoice on screen, look for the option to print it as a PDF. Click Print PDF and from the options presented, select Packing Slip. Xero uses your current branding theme to format this document, but it automatically hides pricing for the packing slip layout. After you choose Packing Slip, Xero generates a PDF file and downloads it to your computer. Open the downloaded PDF to review it. Confirm the ship to details, item descriptions, and quantities look right. If everything checks out, print the packing slip and include it with your shipment, or save and email it to your fulfillment partner if that's how your process works. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the sales or invoices pages, your user role might not have access, so ask your organization's Xero advisor to grant permissions. If the PDF doesn't download, your browser may be blocking pop-ups. Allow downloads from Xero and try again. And if the packing slip layout needs tweaks, such as adding your logo, update your branding theme so future slips use the new look. That's it. You logged in, opened sales and invoices, selected the right invoice, chose print PDF, and picked packing slip to download. You're ready to ship with confidence.